I'm not really sure what's going on with that. So here I am, bikebandit.com. I'm on my 1969 Yamaha AT1E parts, blah blah blah. Okay, so we're gonna go to, let's see, I guess it would be engine. Gonna go to this. Here's the oil tank right here, and hopefully we can kind of look around. It looks like it's going to be showing us the front side here, unfortunately. There's that, decal, cap. There's that worn out grommet there we were looking for before. Let's see, yeah, number 9 right there is that old grommet we were looking at. That is this one. This, what used to be left of this white piece right here. So there's that if I wanted to order it. Looks like it's number 9. So unfortunately what I'm seeing right now is that we don't actually have the knowledge of where that wire is going to or coming from. So, well, there is this right here. Let's go down and look and see what this is. So number 20 and 21. We're gonna scroll down the page here and look for 20 and 21. So flexible vinyl tube and clip. Well, we do know that I don't think that's a vinyl tube. Okay. Well, let's click on this and see what it says. Maybe it'll give us a different... Well, that's basically what it's gonna say for us right there. We can check out product information and see what the deal is. Nope, just part numbers. Okay, well, we are on the search for what this wire is for. I was thinking it's a ground wire, but as I look at it further, it's not really fastened in there very well, and usually ground wires are bolted down, so there's no looseness in the connectivity of the electricity. So we're going to actually eliminate the thought that this is a ground wire at this point. It might be a safety cable in case the bolts come off, that somehow the tank comes off. This might be what was holding it on for a safety measure. I've never seen anything like that, but it does make sense that you would not want to lose your oil reservoir at all whatsoever. So at this point, I'm going to eliminate the idea that this is a ground wire, and we'll go back and correct my my previous videos. So anyway, I guess we're just looking for ideas on this thing here. If anybody has any ideas, or if you think it's something, I'd be interested to know what your thought is about it. As you can see, it's really not in there with much of anything. It looks like just a piece with the wire stuck through it to hold it in there. So I guess we're on the search. Anybody knows anything, I'd be really happy to hear about it. Alright, thanks guys.